Let me show you how to create this gold text effect in Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 3840 by 2160 pixels. Change it to 16-bit. Set the background to black. Choose the Type tool. Write your text. I am using Market Fresh Inline bold font. Download link in the description below. Set the color to 50% gray. Press Ctrl A. Center the text. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Press Ctrl T and scale it while holding the Shift button. Go to Layer Style and choose Bevel and Emboss. Follow these settings. Now let's add inner shadow. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Drag this layer to the folder icon to put it into a group. Let's rename it. Create a new layer on top of the folder. Choose the Gradient tool. Choose the black and white gradient. Click and drag up with a little bit of an angle. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the blending mode to Overlay. Reduce the fill. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient Map. I am going to import a gradient that I will include in the description below. It adds it in the bottom of my presets. Let me select that one and hit OK. Click on this icon to only affect the layer below. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Support my channel by buying my courses, templates, and Photoshop presets. Link in the description. Also check out other tutorials in my channel. Thank you for your support.